Hello everyone. If your internet light on your Hue bridge is off, then this video is going to show you the exact fixes that are working in 2026. Now the internet light turns off when there is no connection to your router. So make sure that the Ethernet cable is firmly connected to both the Hue bridge and to your router. You can try switching to a different LAN port on your router. If possible, you can use another Ethernet cable to rule out a faulty one. Now, a simple restart often fixes the connectivity related issues. So you need to unplug the router and Hue bridge from the power. After that, you just have to wait for about 1 minute. Then you need to plug in the router and wait until internet is stable. Then simply plug in the Hue bridge and wait for all the lights to come back. Now your router itself might not have the internet, so you can check if other devices like your phone or laptop can access the internet. If not, you just have to restart your modem or connect your ISP. Now, if the issue still continues, you can reconnect the bridge via the application. For that, you just have to simply open your Philips Hue application. Then simply go inside the settings. Here inside the settings, look for the option of bridge. Now let the application search and reconnect your Hue bridge. Follow the steps and press the physical button on the bridge when it asked. So you can try these methods and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.